In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a product sales report in Shopify. Knowing how each of your products is performing can be crucial for managing your business effectively. Whether you need insights for inventory, marketing decisions, or simply want to understand trends, accessing your sales data is vital. So, let's dive in and explore how you can generate these insights in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the Shopify dashboard. This menu is where you'll find various options to manage your store. Next, click on Analytics from this menu. This section provides you with a wealth of data about your store's performance. After you've clicked on Analytics, you'll be taken to the Analytics dashboard. In this area, you need to locate and click on Reports. This is where Shopify gathers all the predefined reports that it offers. Within the Reports section, look for the Sales category. Here, you'll see a report titled Total Sales by Product. Click on this report. This specific report will give you a detailed view of each product's sales performance. It's an excellent way to see which products are your best sellers and which might need a bit more attention. To further customize and explore your sales data, continue by staying in the Reports section. You'll want to click on New Exploration. This feature allows you to create customized reports tailored to your specific needs. In the configuration panel that appears, you can add metrics like net sales. Additionally, you can set dimensions such as product and month. These options help break down the data in a way that's most meaningful to you and your business strategy. If you need more specific information, you can add filters to refine your report. This might include excluding certain products or focusing on particular time periods. Once you have everything set up to your liking, simply click on Run to generate your custom report. After you receive your results, take a moment to review the data. If you find this report valuable, you can click Save to name it whatever you choose. This way, your customized report is easy to access anytime under your saved reports. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate a product sales report in Shopify. Remember, regularly reviewing these reports can provide you with essential insights to help your business thrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to make the most out of your Shopify experience.